Are you looking to buy or sell a home? Partnering with the right real estate broker can make all the difference. Let's watch.
My name is Deanna Armel, the broker and owner of Armel Real Estate. I am a boutique real estate firm focusing on very personalized service. We specialize in luxury residential real estate in the Lake Nona, Orlando, Central Florida area. We help buyers buy and sellers sell.
Deanna, a former firefighter and paramedic with the city of Orlando, knows a thing or two about hard work.
I have a work ethic from an early age because I worked with my grandmother, who was a pioneer in her industry, in the beauty industry. I worked for her as a child when I was in school part-time, so a hard work ethic is in my DNA. Every day is a work day. I will write a contract on Christmas, as I have every major holiday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and just recently I wrote a contract on Labor Day. I love to work. Since I started my brokerage firm in 2008, we've done about $400 million in total sales. I have personally done $60 million in sales this year. When I take on a new listing, the first thing I do is walk through the house and assess. I want to make sure that all of the light bulbs are in working order and bright and shining beautifully. A bright house and a clean house always sells quickly and for a premium. So I want to make sure we have it clean, lit, open, and take away all personal items so people can vision and visualize their own family in that house.
Deanna works with many notable elite clients, such as professional athletes, coaches, financial investors, YouTube sensations, and more, helping them with their transactions at the highest professional level.
I'm very blessed to be trusted by many notable professionals and professional athletes. I have helped Gary Woodland, who is our U.S. Open golf champion, among many other professional golfers, professional tennis players, NFL football players, and most recently, Coach Lou Holtz, the legendary Notre Dame football coach. It's just a big honor, and if you do a good job for one, they tell each other, and it trickles into more business in the future, and I'm very blessed. Our slogan is, "We care, it's that simple." There are three main components to that phrase: passion, compassion, and service. I have the passion of what I love doing in this business and changing lives, from saving lives as a paramedic to now changing lives with folks buying and selling homes. I have compassion for each and every human being. Everyone has a story, and I adapt my service to their story. And service, I was born to serve. I served as a firefighter saving lives, and now I'm helping folks buy and sell homes.
And if she can do all of that for them, imagine what she can do for the rest of us.
I've also helped first-time home buyers, single moms, military, veterans. I give the same level of service no matter who the person, no matter who the price point. I just want to help others. Navigating bidding wars can be challenging. It's very difficult as a financing buyer to beat a cash buyer. However, in this industry, if you have some cash saved up and you can commit to paying a little bit of cash over appraisal value or waive the appraisal, it's like a cash offer and it gives you a chance. We have many tactics that I can help you with. The most important part of buying a home is getting pre-qualified. You want to know how much you can buy, how much you can afford, so that when you're looking at houses and you fall in love, you know you can get that home.
So what should you look for when you're searching for a new home?
After getting pre-qualified, one of the most important components of buying a home is having an exit strategy. Can I resell this home? Is it marketable? Next, location, location, location. It's a fact. Location, layout, view. Those are three important components that allow your house to be sellable. When walking through a home, when you're deciding if you're going to buy it or not, I always look at the integrity of the structure, the age of the roof, the age of the AC, the age of the plumbing. Certainly we're going to get an inspection, but my experience in building construction as a firefighter is very helpful walking through the home. What I want people to know about the Orlando market is that it's a great place to live and it's always a great place to buy.
Want to know more about Armel Real Estate Services? Visit armelrealestate.com or designingspaces.tv.